Medicine as a profession is a hectic profession, but one of the most enjoyable professions, one of the most satisfying professions, but of course with a lot of responsibility. You're responsible for little babies and little kids who are unable to express, and parents expect professionalism and responsibility from you, and they expect you to be looking after their child beginning to end.
एज ए डॉक्टर हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी है कि हम लोग जो ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं वो एरर फ्री रहे। एरर की कोई संभावना इसके अंदर नहीं है, और जब भी हम एक डिजिटल एप्लीकेशन जैसे डॉकॉन है वो यूज़ नहीं कर रहे, तो इस बात की बहुत संभावनाएं हैं कि गलती हो सकती है।
I think we were one of the first users of DocOn, and I've been using it for 2 years. It's a very easy, simple, user-friendly app.
We needed a software which was very easy to take on and which doesn't take away our mental space while working, that we are thinking of a technology rather than doing our work. So fortunately DocOn is very easy to use, very, very easy for a doctor to get used to.
मैं ढूंढ तो रहा था कोई EHR सिस्टम, तो मैंने 3-4 ट्राई किए थे पहले, और वो मुझे बहुत ही बल्कि लगे, और उसमें कस्टमाइजेशन तो कुछ था नहीं। वो जितने भी मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर ट्राई किए थे उसमें DocOn वाज द बेस्ट ऑफ द लॉट।
डॉकॉन की वजह से कैलकुलेशंस आसान है, डोज कैलकुलेशन आसान है, पास हिस्ट्री आसान है, वैक्सीनेशन का रिकॉर्ड रखना बहुत ही आसान हो गया है डॉकॉन की मदद से।
There is clarity in every instruction that is given. There are regular reminders which improves the patient compliance, and the dropout rate. They would come back to you for that. They don't miss their vaccination dates as often as, or even if it is, they know okay, we'll come back after 2 weeks, rather than it being forgotten completely.
When you start typing in over and gives you the guides of your usual standard medicines are come up on the top, so it's very easy to get that over. 2, for the basic medicines you can always feed in all the dosages also, so your errors vis-a-vis the dosage also comes down. 3, of course, vaccination, all records are kept on DocOn and all reminders go, so that makes it very straight on. 4, growth monitoring, the heights and the weights. People want to see how their child is growing height-wise and weight-wise. Very often there's a complaint the child is not growing, but actually you're able to show them the child is growing perfectly all right.
प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मतलब प्रिंटेड आता है, वैक्सीनेशन के रिमाइंडर आप भेज सकते हो, अब तो बिलिंग भी कर सकते हो, उसी में वहीं पर रिसिप्ट देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा एडवांटेज है डॉकॉन के साथ में।
बहुत बार हम लोग मरीज़ को समझाते हैं कि आपका 1.5 महीने पे ये टीका लगना है, आपका 2.5 महीने पे टीका लगना है, वो भूल जाता है, नहीं आता है। अब जब उसको 1 हफ्ते पहले रिमाइंडर जाता है डॉकॉन की तरफ से, 1 हफ्ते पहले रिमाइंडर जाता है कि इस दिन को आपका ये वैक्सीन ड्यू है, सेम डे भी जाता है सुबह सुबह कि आज आपका वैक्सीनेशन ड्यू है। गॉड फॉरबिड अगर वो फिर भी मिस कर देता है, तो 1-2 दिन बाद, 3 दिन बाद जब हम एक सेट कर देते हैं प्रक्रिया, उसके बाद उसको फिर से मैसेज आता है कि यू हैव मिस दिस वैक्सीनेशन। तो जब उसको ये मैसेज जाता है तो उसको रियलाइज़ होता है कि नहीं ये ज़रूरी है, और फ़ौरन आके वैक्सीनेशन लगवाता है। तो उससे कॉम्प्लाइंस इंश्योर हो गई है कि मरीज़ आके कॉम्प्लाइंट हो गया है और मरीज़ वैक्सीनेशन को फॉलोअप करता है।
Primarily, it has improved our communication with our client.
A very positive feedback from most patients. 1, because vaccination reminders are a big hit for patients. Patients are busy in their lives. For them, vaccination is but one job, so they tend to forget. So when a vaccination reminder comes in, they are very happy that they remember that they have to go for vaccination. 2, being able to access a prescription. People lose prescriptions, misplace it. Mother has taken it, father has taken it and taken it to work, and the prescription is not there. So being able to access the prescription and give the medicines to the child, people are very happy with that. 3, at every visit they come to know whether the weight height has improved, how the growth is happening. People feel very reassured about that. 4th, even revisit reminders go. So if you put in a reminder that a patient has to come back to you in 7 days, they are able to remember to come back to you. 5, the clinic functioning in the form that if the doctor is not going to be there, and even that message goes to them, so they're able to plan out their visits better out over.
Every time, struggling with all those prescriptions and seeing क्या डोसेज था, कितना है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और वैक्सीनेशन कार्ड ढूंढते रहो और फिर देखो डेट कब है क्या है, सो वो सब ओमिट हो गया है मेरा स्ट्रगल.
Now I don't have to keep the physical copy of the prescriptions anymore. So if I'm traveling, I'm out of town and suddenly my son has the same symptoms, I can always go back to DocOn, just go back to the earlier prescription and I can just buy medicine based on that.
What I love about DocOn is the entire team DocOn experience. Effective, efficient, enthusiastic.
Team DocOn is responsive, intelligent, intelligent. That's the most important thing.
Strongly recommend DocOn. It's only an initial hesitation. Anybody who's hesitant, try it for 7-10 days, because once you try it for 7-10 days, you'll realize that it's much easier to work through this app rather than without it.
अगर प्रिंटेड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देना ही है जो कि लीगली मैंडेटरी है, तो फिर ऐसे किसी सॉफ्टवेयर का क्यों ना सहारा लिया जाए, एंड अब लेना ही है तो फिर यूज़ द बेस्ट वन व्हिच इज DocOn.
I will recommend DocOn because I have been using it. It's perfectly fine, error-free, time-saving. Patient loves it, and I am addicted to it, so I am loving it.